In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel on Expedia. Let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in the word Expedia. This step ensures you access the most recent and secure version of the website. Once you hit enter, you will see a list of search results. Now let's move to the next step. Look for the link that says expedia.com. It's usually among the top results. Clicking this link will take you directly to the official Expedia homepage. This is important because using the official site protects your personal information. With the Expedia homepage open, the next thing you'll want to do is log in. You'll find the sign-in option at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your username and password and click the sign-in button. This step is crucial because it allows you to save your booking details and access them later. After logging in, navigate to the Stays tab on the Expedia homepage. This tab is dedicated to booking accommodations like hotels. It's typically located at the top of the page. Clicking on this tab will open up the hotel booking section where you can begin your search. Next up, choose your destination, travel dates, number of travelers, and the number of rooms you need. Enter this information into the respective fields. Once done, click on the search button. This action will generate a list of available hotels that match your criteria. Using precise dates and details can save you time in your search. At this point, you can use the sort menu to organize the results. This can be sorted by price, ratings, or distance. Sorting helps you quickly find options that best meet your needs. You can also apply filters for amenities such as free Wi-Fi or pet-friendly accommodations. These filters refine your search results, making it easier to find the perfect hotel. Once you have a list of hotels, click on the hotel that catches your eye. This will open a new page with detailed information about the hotel. Here you can see photos, read reviews, and check the location. Take a moment to ensure the hotel meets all your preferences and requirements. With that ready, review the amenities and rates carefully. When you find what suits you, click the reserve button. This step will take you to a page where you can finalize your booking. Ensuring the amenities fit your needs can enhance your stay experience. Now it's time to add the check-in name, email address, phone number, and payment information. Make sure all the details are accurate to avoid any booking issues. This ensures that your reservation is confirmed and that you receive all necessary communications. Finally, click the Book Now button to complete your reservation. You will see a confirmation message appear on your screen. This means your booking is successful and you're all set for your trip. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to book a hotel on Expedia. Remember, taking the time to review your details can prevent last-minute surprises. Thank you for watching and happy travels.